How to fix auto-rotate issues on Android. This tutorial shows you how the rotate function works and how to manually rotate your screen when needed. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. From there, look for the auto-rotate icon and tap it to turn the feature on or off. After that, long press on that same icon instead of just tapping it. At this point, this brings up additional toggles for home screen, lock screen, and voice call screen, letting you control rotation separately for each of those. Following this, turn on or off whichever ones you want auto-rotate to apply to. From here, if you'd rather rotate manually instead of relying on auto-rotate, there's another option too. At this stage, turn off auto-rotate completely from the quick panel. Following this, tilt your phone to landscape while using an app that supports rotation. From here, a small rotate button will pop up at the bottom of your screen. At this stage, tap that button if you want to rotate the screen manually at that moment. This gives you control over exactly when the screen rotates, instead of it happening automatically every time you tilt your device. That's how you fix and manage auto-rotate on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.